Top 5 Rarest Dog Breeds. Tibetan Mastiff, a powerful protector with an impressive size. These dogs are not only beautiful but also very devoted to their owners. Bergamon Shepherd with long wavy hair and a friendly character, they are real shepherd helpers. New Guinea Singing Dog, a unique breed known for its singing. These dogs are real stars. Kai Inu, a Japanese breed with an independent character and excellent hunting skills. Real national treasures. Lagotto Romagnolo, an Italian breed known for its ability to find truffles. Unique and rare. What breed would you like to have? Write in the comments.